Review Logitech MX Master 3. The Logitech MX Master 3 is a wireless mouse designed for productivity and performance. The mouse is sleek and ergonomic, with a comfortable shape that fits the hand well. The mouse is also highly customizable, with a range of buttons and features that can be programmed to perform a wide range of functions. One of the standout features of the MX Master 3 is its precision and accuracy. The mouse uses Logitech's dark field tracking technology, which can track on virtually any surface, including glass. The mouse also offers a high level of sensitivity, making it ideal for tasks that require precise movements, such as photo editing or graphic design. Another key feature of the MX Master 3 is its advanced scrolling capabilities. The mouse features a fast and precise scroll wheel that can switch between ratchet and hyperfast scrolling modes. This makes it easy to navigate through long documents or web pages quickly and efficiently. The mouse also offers support for horizontal scrolling, making it ideal for tasks such as video editing or navigating large spreadsheets. The MX Master 3 also offers a range of customization options. The mouse features several programmable buttons that can be customized to perform a wide range of functions, including launching applications, controlling media playback, and switching. Between open windows. The mouse also offers support for Logitech's Flow technology, which allows users to control multiple computers with a single mouse and keyboard. The MX Master 3 is also highly ergonomic, with a comfortable shape that fits the hand well. The mouse features a textured thumb rest and a contoured design that reduces strain on the hand and wrist. The mouse is also rechargeable, with a battery life of up to 70 days on a single charge. This makes it a convenient and environmentally friendly option for users who are looking to reduce their reliance on disposable batteries. In terms of connectivity, the MX Master 3 offers both Bluetooth and USB wireless options. The mouse also features Easy Switch technology, which allows users to switch between up to 3 devices with the touch of a button. This makes it easy for users to switch between their desktop computer, laptop, and tablet without having to switch mice or keyboards. One potential drawback of the MX Master 3 is its price point. The mouse is a premium product, and its price may be prohibitive for some users. However, for users who value performance, precision, and customization, the MX Master 3 is a worthwhile investment that can improve productivity and reduce strain on the hand and wrist. In conclusion, the Logitech MX Master 3 is a highly versatile and customizable wireless mouse that is ideal for productivity and performance. The mouse offers precision tracking, advanced scrolling capabilities, and a range of programmable buttons that can be customized to meet the needs of individual users. The mouse is also highly ergonomic and offers both Bluetooth and USB connectivity options. While the mouse's price point may be a barrier for some users, its advanced features and performance